Process: traffic block for welding. A minimum traffic block of 70 to 75 minute duration should be obtained for complete operation of welding of first joint and to ensure good quality of AT weld. Preparation of rail ends to be welded. We check if the rail for its UTS. Both the welded rails should be of same UTS. Let's say for example 90 UTS. Then both the rails should be of 90 UTS. The rail end face and adjacent sides at foot, top and bottom, web and head up to 50 mm. Shall be thoroughly cleaned using kerosene oil and brushing with wire brush to remove all dirt, grease and rust before welding. Any burrs at the rail ends shall be removed by chiseling or grinding.